Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor 2-speed for Blodgett part number 32244. The motor 2-speed for Blodgett part number 32244 is a 2-speed motor designed to be used with Blodgett ovens. This motor is a direct replacement for the original motor that came with the oven. It has two speeds, one for low speed and one for high speed. The low speed is used for slow cooking and baking, while the high speed is used for faster cooking and baking. The motor has a voltage rating of 115V and an amperage rating of 1.6 A. It also features an overload protection switch to protect the motor from damage due to overloading or overheating. This part fixes the following symptoms. This motor is used to replace the motor in a Blodgett oven. It can help to fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly or not heating up at all. It can also help to fix issues with the fan not running properly or not running at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the oven's back panel and locate the motor assembly. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the motor assembly and remove any mounting screws that may be holding it in place. 4. Install the new motor 2-speed for Blodgett part number 32244 in place of the old motor assembly, making sure to connect all wiring harnesses correctly. 5. Securely fasten the new motor assembly with any mounting screws that were removed earlier. 6. Reattach the oven's back panel and restore power to the oven. 7. Test out Yo. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.